So we have the topic, home learning is better than learning at school. And so what we're focusing on now is learning how to write a persuasive text introduction. And most specifically, what I'm talking to you about is writing a sizzling start. So we've learned of 3 different techniques that we can use to write a sizzling start. So the first option is a rhetorical question. The second is a shocking fact. And the third is a vivid description. So I'm going to give you 3 examples, one for each of these techniques. So for a rhetorical question, you want something that makes the reader agree with you by asking them a question, a very pointed question. So I'm going to be arguing that yes, home learning is better than learning at school. So the rhetorical question that I'm going to use as an example is, would you rather be sitting at a boring and uncomfortable school desk or lounging comfortably at home? Just to repeat that rhetorical question, I've written, would you rather be sitting at a boring and uncomfortable school desk or lounging comfortably at home? You can see here that I'm trying to make the reader think about how much more comfortable it is to be at home rather than at school. And that's going to support my writing later, trying to persuade my reader that home learning is in fact better than learning at school. So now we're going to think about a shocking fact. So we're going to use some factual information, some evidence to start our readers thinking, to get our readers to think about the topic and hopefully to side with our opinion. So the shocking fact example that I'm going to give is this. On Tuesday, the 7th of April, only 21 out of over 1,100 students were at Auburn Grove Primary School. So to repeat that shocking fact, on Tuesday, the 7th of April, only 21 out of over 1,100 students were at Auburn Grove Primary School. This is a really interesting fact that happened in week 10 of term 1 this year that really starts to make readers think, oh, why were there so few students at school? And that's a great opportunity to start talking about why those students were away, and a lot of it is because the reason is that they were home learning, and you might be for or against that. So finally, moving on to a vivid description. So this is where you want to paint a picture in your reader's mind. And again, you want to position your reader so that they're going to agree with you. So I'm going to argue again that home learning is in fact better than learning at school. So have a listen and read of my description here to help you. Imagine this. You're sitting in a classroom. Your eyes are heavy and you can't focus. Slowly, your brain grows numb from boredom. So I'll read that again. Imagine this. You're sitting in a classroom. Your eyes are heavy and you can't focus. Slowly, your brain grows numb from boredom. So what I'm trying to do here is paint a picture in my readers' minds, thinking about, how boring is school? I surely would rather be somewhere else. So I hope these examples help you come up with your own ideas. Good luck!